Alright, welcome back to my channel once again, and this is Ghost Time Tech channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use VO3 to generate videos like this, just as what you can see on my screen. Let me play them for you like this.
Come buy my sweet orange, na very sweet one. Taste and you go see.
Or even this. All these were done with just.
Make I teach you how to do video like this, but first, make I scatter this wall. So them go sabi say my power too much. Now click the WhatsApp.
Or even this.
This international passport process can tire a person. Leave am for God's time tech. We go do am for you, make you travel.
Or even this.
Now AI make me. If you want to learn how to create a video like this one, click the WhatsApp link to join us now.
Or let me say, even there are a lot of videos that you can generate.
Your business needs a website, Abi. God's Time Tech Solutions go run am for you. Sharp. Our designs they compare.
Alright, so having seen all those videos, let's dive right straight to how you can do it your own self. So the first thing we're going to do, we need our own prompt. So for this video, I will not be going over to that. There are two ways to generate these videos. We'll be using Gemini and also Flow. So if you don't have an account, you can see I'm using the Pro. Now let me show you. So I will go right straight, or let me just show you guys how to do that. So let me do as if I'm just new to this. Let me close the tab. So let me type Gemini, Google Gemini, and we are there. We also need Flow. So now once we are done with Gemini, we'll go on with Flow. So let's say we want to make a video. So the first thing you need to do, you need to get your prompt ready. So for this video, I have arranged some set of prompts, just about 3. So I've been able to get these 3 prompts. So I will use them, copy it, and I will use them just to make this video as fast as possible. So this is it says a visual style newsroom background with Ghost Time Tech News. So I'll put it, I'll have to make this Ghost Time Tech News, not a logo. And ticker. So I will now, with the voice, with the dialogue, this is what it will say. Let me just put this as a dialogue. Let me put this dialogue. Yeah, dialogue. Yeah, let me leave it that way. Breaking. Bayern Munich makes 52 euro bid for Liverpool star Luis Diaz. The Colombian winger could be on his way to Bundesliga. So this is just a prompt I use, and we'll be using this prompt to generate video. So I will just have to copy that. So let's start the video. If you have a picture of what you want to use in generating the video, you can put the picture here. But if you don't have, so let's just go get a random, let me say random and image, random picture. That's if you want to use a picture. But if you don't want to use a picture, you can just go ahead of people. This is just for educational purpose. So we are not using this for anything, just for educational purpose only. So let's download. I know it might not be of high quality, but just for demonstration purpose, I save it as not image effects. I just save it there, just for educational purpose only. So I add the photo I just downloaded here. I know it might not be of high quality, but let's use that picture for this. So having set up everything, let's click on submit and let's wait for our video to generate. Okay, it says this generating your video. This can take 1 to 2 minutes. I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So check back to see when your video is ready. Wow, that was amazing. So let us check the output. So it says your video is ready. Let's check the output of our video. So let's check how it looks like. You can see here the background news. Yeah, this is just like as I instructed it. It says Ghost Time Tech as the logo and the sticker over here with Ghost Time Tech News. So if you can watch closely, you can see the headline here, although the write-up is not that okay, but at this point I will show you guys how to also edit the write-up at the bottom. So let us play the video and show you guys how it looks like.
Breaking. Bayern Munich make 52 euro bid for Liverpool star Luis Diaz. The Colombian winger could be on his way to the Bundesliga.
You can see how amazing that is. You can see how amazing that video is. So you can just click on download it and you have it on your system already. So let's look for another prompt that I use. So if you want to make this consistent, you can always upload that same image. You get my point? You can always upload that same image and you are good to go. So let's generate another one without any image. So you describe your video. I have my prompt already, so I will just go here and copy it. So this will go well with like if you want a story. So this will go very well with it. So sorry guys. Okay, so let's paste our second prompt here. We paste it and it says a young Nigerian woman stepped off a roller bus into Ijebu Ode. Her childhood friend, a young man, approaches in surprise. Tunde, so this you can see it here. So let's just go ahead and generate it. This time we are not using any picture for it. So let's generate and wait for 2 minutes. So I will pause the video, wait for 2 minutes. Once it's done, then I come back. Okay, so it says I couldn't do that because I'm getting a lot of requests right now. Please try again later. So I think we should try again. You can say redo when you face something like that, or if that one, I know it will still go, but at this point let's just go over to flow and I know it will work now. No, it says the record was printed. That's not what I want. It's not what I want. Okay, I redo a young. Okay, sorry. Let me go over to flow. Let's just use flow for this. Let's just use flow. It's still the same view 3, but I'll show you guys how to go about that. So we'll go with flow. It's still the same with view 3. You understand? It's still the same with view 3. So it says create with flow. A new state of creation. I need to sign in again. So you need to sign in if you are not signing already. So this is the new update. Just as I was doing it, just the same thing, adding the image before. This image was not included. So these are some of the videos I've generated before now. You can see them here. These are some of the videos I've generated before now. So let's start a new project. Let's start new project. So at this point, I paste my prompts, and you can see it here where it says settings. This is Veo 3 fast. It's already selected. But if you want to remove that selection, you can always click on here. Then you click on Veo 3 fast. Let's go with Veo 3. It says better audio. Fast with better audio. Veo 2 better audio. This is Veo 3 quality. This is fast. So let's just leave it with this fast. I know with this one, with this quality, it is better to go with this one if maybe you are promoting a brand or other. So with this one, there will be there won't be any audio with Veo 2. That's why we are going to use Veo 3 for this practice. So we use Veo 3, sorry guys. We use Veo 3 and we click on go. Let's wait. It has chosen 2. That's just wasting my credits. Oh no, I'm wasting my credits. I'm supposed to choose only 1. You can see this, you should choose only 1 in case you encounter this. I'm supposed to choose only 1 so it doesn't waste my credit. So since it has been generated already, let's just wait for it to finish. So we wait for it. So I will have to, should I pause the video? Or let's just wait for it to finish downloading and you see how it is. Alright guys, this is the output. So let's play it, and you see, just like I told you guys, it has come up with 2, which I'm supposed to come with 1 so as not to waste my credit. So since it has come with 1 and I did not say that, let's just go about, let's just play it and see the output. I'll click on this.
Morayo, you really came back.
I had to. She called me.
I see, that was amazing. So
Morayo,
let's play it together.
you really came back.
I had to. She called me.
Alright, so let's play the next one.
Morayo, you really came back.
I had to. She called me.
Wow, that was amazing. That was amazing. If you want to use a let me say pidgin, Nigerian pidgin, you can just prompt it that way. I don't want to waste my credits anymore, so you can just add it with the prompts. You can just edit the prompts. Sorry. So if you want to add that, you can just edit the prompts and you can say reuse the prompt here. Once you say reuse the prompt, you can do that and it will be very fine. So if you want to download it, you can just click on the download icon. Then you want it to be with the original size, which is 720 resolution. Then with this one, upscale, you upscale it to 100 and 1080. So let me just download that with 1080. Download this one with also 1080. So that's it. So at this point, let me know the challenge you might be having. Drop it in the comment section. Don't also forget to subscribe to this channel, so because I am going to drop another video about another one. It's also the same thing with Veo 3, but I called it alternate. The only difference is that the quality is okay, like the both qualities are fine, but the only difference with that one is that you have to give it your own sound, or you prompt it to give it sound. It will give you sound, but it will not come up with like a dialogue just as they are speaking. So that's just the difference, and that's why Veo 3 also outperform it. But that's very nice. It's a very nice one. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon so that when I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to get notified and you try it. So thank you guys for being with me up to this time. See you guys once again.